Hi, welcome back to another video. Today's video is the unboxing and my thoughts of the hands-on of the iPhone 12, because like I said, it's flying in South Africa. So yeah, welcome to the channel. Before I get started, please hit the subscribe button down below. It helps the channel grow and even more. But yeah, so here's the clip of me unboxing it and catch you afterwards. Okay, so now since the unboxing is done, so here are my thoughts of it. So first, the look of it is quite amazing. Back is quite a nice design to it. I wouldn't say it's a bad look, but it's not bad at all for what you're getting and what you're paying for. The corners, I still checked. There is like nothing that's indicating the 5G radars or anything, or the antennas for the 5G, because I still checked for it and I couldn't find anything. But this phone is a beauty. I mean, you're paying, I think in South Africa it's about 17 or something thousand rand. In America it's I think $700 and something for the base iPhone 12 with 64 yeah, I think 64 or 68 gigabytes of storage. But as you can see, the look is amazing. I'm still blown away of seeing it in real life. But yeah, so that's my thoughts of it. It's a beautiful phone. Now, should you buy it? Yes, depending on who you are. If you want to have a Apple device, then yeah, you can go for it. If you're wanting to stick to Samsung or Huawei or even, I don't know, Xiaomi or something, or Xiaomi, but it's a beautiful phone. I would suggest it to people that are wanting to first get yourself Apple. If you, yeah, it's a nice phone. There's really not much to say. Obviously I want to try to get my hands on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I want to get that phone for one. It will be nice to use for game development, to do 3 scans because of the LiDAR scanner. But yeah, this video was a bit edited differently from my normal videos, but if you guys enjoyed, tell me in the comments below. And for those that hated the video, just tell me what you think I should change, because I'm trying to do my best here. And yeah, don't forget, next week Friday for Christmas, or this Friday for Christmas, I will be doing a Halo giveaway with the codes for the Monster Edition skins and all that. So stay tuned. Well, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below what you want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Bye.